The National Conference Legislative Party emergency meeting is on and in fact this is the location behind me, Fort Fairview, which once upon a time was the official residence of PDP Chief Mehbooba Mufti. This is today's meeting venue. It is an emergency meeting and we know what really triggered it. The order of the Lieutenant Governor, where he ordered transfers of at least 48 Kashmir Administrative Service officers, has not gone well with the Chief Minister or the elected government. There was a growing unease as from the last almost 6 months, ever since Umar Abdullah took over the reins of the elected government in the UT of Jammu and Kashmir, the business rules have been a point of, or have been a flashpoint, because obviously the power structure is completely tilted towards the Lieutenant Governor, the Secretariat of the Lieutenant Governor, though in a broader way, there was an understanding that the higher bureaucracy, the reshuffle, the transfers would be done by the Raj Bhavan. But as far as the lower bureaucracy, the KS officers, HODs at that level, it will be done by the Chief Minister or the elected government. But this obviously tells you that the governor, the order came from the governor's secretariat, and this has led to this latest flashpoint. From day one, Umar Abdullah has been trying to ensure that he does not annoy the BJP government at the center. He has been making all the right noises. He's trying to reach out, meeting the Prime Minister and the Home Minister several times with the hope that statehood would be restored, because obviously he thought that a confrontationist attitude will not help the government and it will only create more problems for the elected government. But now it seems that after 6 months, there is a realization that not much is changing, only promises from the government of India, but there is no timeline on restoration of statehood. So this is the first indication or messaging, as far as, if one can call it, of annoyance, of the fact that the patience levels are very low right now as far as Umar Abdullah, the government, is concerned. And this is a message that from here on, possibly we could see a more aggressive Umar Abdullah and the UT government, elected government, as far as the power structure or business rules are concerned. They would want to make this statement, and this meeting that is underway right now, where Umar Abdullah, along with the National Conference Legislative Party, as well as the allies, all of them are here, although two important faces from the Congress are missing. But still, it is about messaging. Obviously, insiders say we don't expect much out of this meeting, other than the fact this message would go out to New Delhi that all is not well here. You need to restore statehood. You need to restore the power structure that here used to be in the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir. Otherwise, the functioning would be difficult, and the gulf between the central government or the Lieutenant Governor and the elected government is only going to increase. With camera person Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Srinagar for India Today.